Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about different forms of equation of straight line. See, for diploma syllabus, for these different forms of equation of straight line, proof is not there. Only you need to remember the formulas. Using those formulas you are going to solve the examples. So in that first one, slope intercept form of equation of straight line. So this is the first equation of straight line formula. What is that? Slope intercept form. So that is given by y is equals to mx plus c. Here m is nothing but slope and c is nothing but what here? Y intercept. So in examination, in the question, if they give slope m value and if they give y-intercept c value, and if they ask you to find out equation of a straight line, if they ask you to find the equation of straight line, that time you have to apply which formula? Y is equals to mx plus c. This formula is called what here? Slope intercept form. This is the first one. Second one, slope point form. So this is also called what here? One point form. So this is also what? Equation of a straight line only, but for different condition. So when you have to use this second equation of straight line in question paper, in question what they will give? 1 point they will give, that is x1 y1 they will give, and which value they will give? Slope m value they will give. In the question, if these two values are present, if they ask you to find out equation of straight line, that time you have to apply which formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. Next, third one, 2-point form. So this is also equation of straight line only, but when you have to apply this equation of straight line, in question they will give how many points? 2 points they will give. X1 y1 value they will give, x2 y2 value they will give, and they will ask you to find out which value? Equation of straight line. That time you have to apply which formula? Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. So this is the third equation of straight line formula. And fourth one, intercept form. So this is also equation of straight line formula only. When you have to use, again in the question they will give the value of a. A means x intercept value they will give. B means y intercept value they will mention. If these two are present in the question, that time if they ask you to find out equation of straight line, that time which formula you have to apply? X divided by a plus y divided by b is equals to what here? 1. Therefore remember, all these four are what? Equation of a straight line only, but for different conditions. One is y is equals to mx plus c. If these two values are given in the question, that time apply y is equals to mx plus c. This is also equation of straight line only. Y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. This is called what? 1 point form. When you have to apply this formula in question, they will give x1 y1 value, that is 1 point they will mention, and slope value they will give. If these two values are present in that question, that time you have to apply y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. Third one, 2-point form. When you have to apply this formula, this is also equation of straight line only. In question, if they give 2 points, x1 y1 value and x2 y2 value, if these two values are present in the question, that time apply which formula? Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. And last one, again this is also equation of straight line only. This is called what? Intercept form of a equation of straight line. That is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. in question they will give A value, that is x-intercept, and B value, that is y-intercept. If these two values are present in that given question, that time you have to apply x by A plus y divided by B is equals to 1. So next we are going to solve the examples of using these 4 formulas. Next, examples using the formula y is equals to mx plus c. So using this formula, there are 2 types of examples will come. In that, type 1 is find equation of straight line having a slope -3 and y-intercept is 5. Okay, see here, what is the question? Which value you need to find out here? You need to find out the equation of straight line. And which 2 values are given? Slope is given, how much? -3, and y-intercept value is given, how much here? 5. Therefore, solution, first given points you note down. Here, slope is given. Slope is nothing but which value is given? M is given, how much? -3, and y-intercept value is given. Y-intercept is nothing but which value? C, how much? 5, correct? So when M value is given and C value is given, that time you have to apply which formula? Y is equals to mx plus c. Therefore equation of straight line is y is equals to mx plus c. Write the formula. So after writing the formula, substitute the value of m, substitute the value of c. Therefore y is equals to m is -3x plus c value is how much here? 5. See, after this you have to bring the standard form of what? Equation of straight line. So you know standard form of equation of straight line is what? Ax plus by plus c is equals to what here? 0. See, in standard form always x contains here which sign? Positive sign. But here we are getting x which sign here? Negative sign. So because of this reason, what we are going to do? We are going to shift -3x and +5 to another side, correct? So left hand side. So that time what will happen? So shift -3x, if you shift to left hand side, -3x becomes what here? +3x. Already which value is present in left hand side? +y is present. So keep that +5 as it is, and +5 shift to left hand side, +5 becomes what here? -5 is equals to what? 0. See, now you got in which form? Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So this is a required equation of what? Required equation of straight line. So this is how you need to solve. So first what to do? Given things you note down. Equation of straight line formula you write. Then substitute the value of m, substitute the value of c. So next what to do? Final answer you should bring in which form? Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. In this, always they will keep x as what here? Positive. So because of this reason, I am going to shift this -3x and +5 to left hand side, because here x contains which sign here? Minus sign. That's why -3x, if you shift to left hand side, -3x becomes what here? +3x. +5 becomes what here? -5. This y already it is present in the left hand side, so keep it there only. Therefore, what is the final answer? 3x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of what? Straight line. Sometimes what will happen? Students follow this another method also. See here, or note down the same formula. Y is equals to mx plus c. Y you keep it as it is. M value you substitute. M is how much here? -3x, and c value is how much here? 5. So next what they will do, instead of shifting minus 3x and plus 5 to left hand side, they will shift plus y to which side here? Right hand side. So that time if you shift this value to right hand side, here remaining value is 0 is equals to minus 3x, keep it as it is, plus 5 if you shift to the right hand side, plus 5 becomes minus y, and plus 5 keep it as it is. So this is also, therefore minus 3x minus y plus 5 is equals to what? 0. This is also the required equation of straight line. This method is also correct, this method is also correct, but in this method we are keeping the equation of straight line in standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, but here x we are keeping positive sign. So whichever method it is convenient for you people, you go by that method, but both the answers are what here? Same. Next question. Find equation of straight line having a slope minus 7 and y-intercept is 2 divided by 3. So here also same, you need to find out equation of straight line only, and given is what? Slope value is given, correct? Therefore solution, slope m is given how much? Minus 7, and y intercept value means c value is given how much here? 2 divided by 3. You need to find out which value? Equation of straight line. You know, when slope m and y-intercept c both are given, what is the equation of straight line? Therefore equation of straight line is given by y is equals to mx plus c. mx plus c. Now substitute m and c value. So it is y is equals to m is minus 7x, but plus c is how much here? 2 divided by 3. But see here c is in fraction value, correct? 2 divided by 3. So in next step what to do? We need to take the LCM in right hand side. Next take the LCM in right hand side. So that time what will happen? Y is equals to, say what is the LCM here? 3 is the LCM. So multiply here by 3 and this value by how much here? 1. So next multiply these two, minus 7 into 3 minus 21x plus 2 into 1 is how much here? 2. 2 into 1 is how much here? 2. So next step, do the cross multiplication. Next step what to do? Do the cross multiplication. So 3 into y is how much here? 3y is equals to minus 21x plus 2. Minus 21x plus 2. Again see, x contains which sign here? Negative sign. So I am going to make this x what? Positive sign. So because of that reason I am going to shift minus 21x to left hand side and plus 2 to left hand side. So that time minus 21x becomes what? Plus 21x. Already in left hand side which value is present? Plus 3y is present. Keep it as it is. And plus 2 if you shift to left hand side, plus 2 becomes what here? Minus 2 is equals to what? 0. So this is the required equation of what? Straight line. So here what to do? After substitution in right hand side you need to take what here? LCM. You need to take what? LCM. So here denominator is 3. So 3 only becomes what here? LCM. So multiply this value by 3 and second value by what here? 1. So next do the cross multiplication. 3 into y, 3y. Minus 7 into 3 is minus 21x. 2 into 1 is 2. So next again x contains negative sign. So because of this reason, therefore these two value I am going to shift to left hand side. So minus 21x becomes what? Plus 21x. Plus 3y, keep it as it is. Plus 2 becomes what? Minus 2 is equals to what? 0. Next question. Find equation of straight line having slope 4 by 3 and y-intercept 1 divided by 6. Solution. So again same, slope given. So slope is nothing but m value, how much? 4 divided by 3, and y-intercept is given. So y-intercept means c value is given, how much here? 1 divided by 6. Therefore you need which value? Equation of straight line. So write the formula. Y is equals to mx plus c. So y is equals to m. M is how much here? 4 divided by 3x plus c is how much here? 1 upon 6. 1 divided by 6. See, in this, m also in fraction value, c is also in the fraction value. Therefore, in this step, what I am going to do? I am going to take the LCM. See, here denominator 3 and here denominator 6. So, 3 and 6 both I am going to take. So, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again, 2, 1 you keep it as it is, 2 1s are 2. Next, these two values multiply. Right? Therefore, 3 into 2 is equals to how much here? 6. So, 6 is what here? LCM. Therefore, y is equals to LCM is how much here? 6. So, here 3 is there. To get this 6, you need to multiply by how much here? 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Already 6 is there. So, you need to multiply by 1. So, 6 into 1 is what? 6. Next, 4 into 2 is 8. Remaining value x plus 1 into 1 is how much here? 1. So after this, next step is what? Do the cross multiplication. 6 into y, 6y is equals to 8x plus 1. Keep it as it is. See here, x contains which sign? Positive sign. Therefore, I am going to shift this plus 6y to right hand side. So that time here, remaining value is 0 is equals to 8x plus 6y becomes minus 6y and plus 1. Keep it as it is. Therefore, what is the final answer? 8x minus 6y plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of what? Straight line. Next, type 2. See, in this type 2, see the question, find equation of straight line making an angle 60 degree and y-intercept is what? 3. See, the difference between type 1 and type 2 is what? In type 1, directly they had given which value? M value, and directly they had given which value? C value, that is y-intercept. If these two are given, directly apply which formula? Y is equals to mx plus c. But here, what is the question? Instead of giving slope, here they had given the angle. Angle means which value? Theta is given. How much degree? 60 degree. Okay. And y-intercept C is given. C is how much here? 3. Correct. But you need to apply which formula? Y is equals to mx plus c only. So in this formula, you need which value? M value. But M is not given. But you know from previous class how to find out the slope value if angle theta is given. Correct. So that time what to do? First you need to find out which value? M value you need to find out. Using the formula M is equals to what here? Tan theta. Because angle is how much here? 60 degree is given. Substitute here tan 60 degree. You will get the value of M. Once you get the value of M, using C, substitute here, you will get which value? Equation of straight line. Therefore, solution here, theta is equals to 60 degrees given, and y-intercept means C value is given. How much? 3. And which value is question mark here first? M. M means slope. Slope is question mark. First you need to find out slope value. Therefore you know the formula, slope m is equals to, what is the formula? Tan theta. So tan, you keep it as it is. Theta means how much degree? 60 degree. So substitute here 60 degree. Next, see that trigonometric standard table. In the standard table, tan 60 degree is nothing but how much? Root 3. Therefore, tan 60 degree is how much here? Root 3. So this is the value of what here? M. So you got which value? M. And already which value is there? C is already there, correct? So using these two values, which value you need to find out now? Equation of straight line. Therefore, equation of straight line is y is equals to mx plus c. Therefore, y is equals to m is root 3 into x plus c value is how much here? 3. Again here x contains positive sign, so y I am going to shift to right hand side. So here remaining value is 0 is equals to root 3 into x, keep it as it is, plus y becomes what here? Minus y and plus 3. Therefore, what is the required equation of straight line? 3x minus y plus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. Next question. Find equation of straight line making an angle 315 degree and y-intercept is minus 8. Solution. Here also same. Angle is given, means theta 315 degree, and y-intercept value is given how much? C minus 8. Therefore, here which value is question mark? Slope value is question mark, means m value is question mark. Therefore, first you need to find out which value? Slope. Later on you need to find out which value? Equation of straight line. Therefore, slope m is equals to, which formula you have to apply? Tan theta. So is equals to tan theta how much degree? 315 degree. See, in the previous example, angle is how much here? Theta 60 degree. This is the standard angle, correct? Therefore, directly you got tan 60 degree is how much here? Root 3. But here angle is 315 degree, means this is the allied angle. Therefore, you need to apply allied angle formula. So first what to do? You should convert this 350 in standard form, correct? Which is standard form? N into 90 plus or minus theta, correct? Therefore, you know this 315 comes in between. This is 4 into 90 in between these two. So in that I am going to take this even number only. Which one is the even number? 4. Therefore, tan 315 can be written as 4 into 90, 360. To get 315, you need to subtract how much degree? 45 degree. Then only you will get 315 degree. So this is the standard form. So next what to do? Check this number, even or odd. See, even number. So even number, tan will remain as it is, correct? For even number, tan will remain as it is. Finally, which degree? 45 degree. For even number, trigonometric ratio will remain what? Same. That's why I am taking what? Even number only. So next what to do? This 4 minus, you should see lies in which quadrant? So start with the 0 degree. 0 degree, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it comes 4, correct? So plus means it will jump to the next quadrant. Minus means it will come back to what? Previous quadrant, correct? So till here it will come. Then again it will come back to which quadrant here? Fourth quadrant. 4 minus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus means fourth quadrant. You know, in fourth quadrant, see, in fourth quadrant only cos and sec theta are positive. Remaining all 4 are which sign here? Negative sign. Therefore, here which value is there? Tan is there. So tan is negative in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Therefore, minus sign, keep it as it is, tan 45 degree. See that standard table. Tan 45 degrees, how much here? 1. Therefore, substitute here 1. So this is the value of m. So you got m value. Therefore m is equals to minus 1, and c, y-intercept is how much here? Minus 8. So now you need equation of straight line. Therefore, equation of straight line y is equals to mx plus c. So next, y is equals to m is minus 1 into x plus c is how much here? Minus 8. Therefore, y is equals to minus 1 into x plus into minus is what? Minus 8. Again here x contains a negative sign. So I am going to shift minus 1x to left hand side plus minus 8 to left hand side. So minus 1x becomes what? Plus 1x. Already plus 5 is present in left hand side. Minus 8 becomes what here? Plus 8 is equals to what here? 0. So this is the required equation of what? Straight line. Next is examples using the formula y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. So this is the equation of straight line formula. So that is what we call it as what? Slope intercept form. Otherwise it is also called 1 point form. So now we will solve using this formula. See, again here also two types of questions will come. So question number 1, write standard slope intercept form of straight line. Find equation of the straight line passing through the point 3, 5 and slope 4 units. See, in this question, what they had given, first you need to write the formula, correct? See here, write a standard slope intercept form of a straight line. So slope intercept formula is what? Y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. After writing the formula, you need to find out what? Equation of that straight line. Therefore, solution, write the formula. Therefore, slope intercept form is y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. Next what to do? We need to find out the equation of straight line. So first, given things you note down. See here, given points are what? 1 point already given, correct? So 1 point means 3, 5 is given. This you consider as what? x1, y1. 1 point is given, 3, 5 and slope is given, correct? See, slope 4 units. Slope means which value is given? M is given. How much here? 4 units, correct? So next equation of straight line you need to find out. Therefore equation of straight line, write the formula. Y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. Now substitute the points. So y, you keep it as it is, minus y1. See, y1 is how much here? 5 is equals to m is 4 into bracket x minus x1 is how much here? 3. x1 is how much here? 3. So next, do the simplification. See, here bracket is not there in left hand side, but bracket is there in the right hand side. So you need to open the bracket. Therefore, left hand side value, keep it as it is, y minus 5 is equals to, open the bracket, 4 into x is 4x Okay, next here plus sign, here minus sign, plus into minus is minus, 4 into 3 is 12. Okay, so next see here x contains which sign? Already positive sign. So because of this reason, what I'm going to do, I'm going to shift left hand side values to right hand side. So that time if I shift these two value to right hand side, here remaining value will be how much here? 0 is equals to, see first 4x I'm going to keep it as it is in the right hand side. Next plus y, if I shift it will become minus y. Minus 5 if I shift it will become what? Plus 5. And already which value is present in the right hand side? Minus 12. Minus 12. Correct. Therefore 0 is equals to 4x minus y. Next plus 5 minus 12 is minus 7. Minus 7. Therefore, what is the required equation of straight line? 4x minus y minus 7 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. Next question. Find equation of straight line passing through the point minus 2, minus 3 and having slope 3 divided by 2. See, in this question they had not given to write the formula. So directly what they are asking, find equation of straight line passing through the point minus 2, minus 3 and having slope 3 divided by 2. Therefore, solution. See, one point already given, correct? So that point I am going to consider as what? x1, y1 is given. How much? Minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3 and slope is given. Slope is nothing but m value. How much? 3 divided by 2. Correct? Now we need what? Equation of straight line. So write the formula. Therefore, equation of straight line y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. So now substitute the values. So y I am going to keep it as it is, minus also I am going to keep it as it is, y1. See, y1 is nothing but how much here? Minus 3. So in bracket you write minus 3 is equals to m. M is how much? 3 divided by 2. Substitute 3 upon 2 into bracket x. Keep it as it is, minus, keep it as it is, x1. How much? x1 minus 2. So in bracket you write minus 2. So next step, here you multiply the sign and here also right hand side multiply the sign first. So y minus into minus is plus 3 is equals to 3 divided by 2, keep it as it is, in bracket x minus into minus is plus 2. Minus into minus is plus 2. But here slope is in fraction form, correct? So what I am going to do in the next step, I am going to do the cross multiplication. Means this denominator too I am going to do the cross multiplication. So if I do the cross multiplication, this 2 will come in the numerator. That is 2 into bracket, what is the remaining value? Y plus 3 is equals to 3. I am going to keep it as it is. Here remaining value is what? X plus 2. Next, open the bracket in left hand side also. Open the bracket in right hand side also. 2 into y, 2y plus 2 into 3, 6. 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 2 is how much? 6. Therefore, again see x contains which sign here? Positive sign. So because of that reason, plus 2y and plus 6 I am going to shift to right hand side. So here remaining value 0 is equals to 3x. Already it is there in the RHS side. So keep it as it is. Plus 2y becomes minus 2y. Next, plus 6 becomes minus 6. Already plus 6 is present. Therefore, finally 3x minus 2y plus 6 minus 6 goes to how much here? Directly 0 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. Or else you can write 3x minus 2y equals to 0. Next, type 2. Question. Find equation of straight line passing through the point 2, minus 2 and inclined at 45 degree. See, in this type, one point already it is given, x1 y1 is given, means you need to apply which formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. So in that formula you need one point, that point already given, and you need which value? Slope. Slope means which value? M value, but here slope is not given. See, instead of slope, the angle is given how much here? 45 degree. Correct. Therefore, what to do? Using this angle, you need to find out first slope. Solution. Angle is given, theta is equals to how much degree? 45 degree. Therefore, you know slope formula. Slope m is equals to what is the formula? Tan theta. So which is equals to tan, substitute 45 degree. You know tan 45 degree is how much? 1. Therefore, m is equals to how much you got? 1. Okay. And already one point is given. So 2, minus 2. So this is the value of x1, y1. So next you got m value and already one point is there, x1 and y1. Next you need to find out which value? Equation of straight line. Therefore equation of straight line, write the formula. Y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. Substitute the value. Y minus y1. So y1 is how much here? Minus 2. So in bracket you mention minus 2 is equals to m. M is 1 and x1 is 2. Therefore m is 1 into bracket x minus x1 is how much here? 2. Next, open the bracket, multiply the sign. So y minus into minus is plus 2 is equals to 1 into x is 1x or x. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Again x contains positive sign. So I am going to shift plus y and plus 2 to right hand side. So 0 is equals to 1x, keep it as it is. Plus y becomes what here? Minus y. Plus 2 becomes what here? Minus 2. Already minus 2 also present in the right hand side. Therefore 1x minus y minus 2 is how much? Minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. Next question. Find equation of straight line passing through the point minus 1, 3 and inclined at 150 degree. Solution. Again same, angle is given. First we need to find out slope value. Theta is equals to 150 degree. Okay, therefore slope m is equals to, what is the formula? Tan theta. So it is tan how much degree? 150 degree. So allied angle formula we need to use. So convert 150 degree into standard form. How I am going to write? 2 into 90, 180 minus 30. So 2 into 90, 180 minus 30 is 150. So 2 is the even number. So tan will remain tan. Okay. So next here 2 minus, correct? 2 minus. Start with 0 degree. 0, 1, 2 means here. Minus means which quadrant it will go? Previous quadrant means second quadrant. You know in second quadrant tan is which sign? Negative sign, correct? 30 degree you keep it as it is. So 2 minus means the second quadrant. So in second quadrant Sine and cosec are positive, remaining 4 are what? Negative sign. Therefore, tan is which sign? Minus. So next, negative sign, keep it as it is, tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is how much here? 1 divided by root 3. So right here 1 upon root 3. So this is the value of m. Okay, and already which value is given? 1 point is given, minus 1 comma 3. Correct. So minus 1 comma 3. So consider as x1 y1. Therefore equation of straight line y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. Y minus y1, y1 is 3 is equals to m is minus 1 upon root 3 x minus x1. x1 is minus 1 in bracket minus 1, close the bracket. So next step, I'm going to do the cross multiplication because again fraction value. So it is root 3 into bracket y minus 3 is equals to remaining value minus 1 into bracket x minus into minus is plus 1. Next, open the bracket in both the side. So root 3 into y is root 3y minus root 3 into 3 is 3 root 3 minus 1 into x is minus x minus into plus 1 is how much? Minus 1. Here x contains negative sign. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to shift minus x and minus 1 to left hand side. So that time minus x becomes plus x. Already plus root 3 into y is present. Minus 3 root 3 is also present. Next minus 1 becomes what here? Plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. Otherwise you can do further simplification by adding these two numbers, by subtracting these two numbers. Otherwise this is the required equation of what? Straight line. Next question. Find equation of straight line having a slope 3 and passing through the midpoint of a line joining the points 4, 6 and 8, 10. So in this example, slope is given, correct? Slope means m value is given, but 1 point is not given. Instead of that, what they are telling? The line passing through the midpoint of a line joining 2 points. Okay, so first thing what to do? We need to apply here which formula? Midpoint formula. So once we apply the midpoint formula, we will get 1 point. Okay, see now solution. Here 2 points are given, 4, 6 I'm going to consider as x1 y1 and 8, 10 I'm going to consider as x2 y2. Therefore midpoint formula you apply. So midpoint, that is m is equals to, what is the formula? x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 divided by 2, which is equals to, substitute x1 is 4 plus x2 8 divided by 2 y1 is 6 plus y2 is 10 divided by 2. So which is equals to 4 plus 8 12 divided by 2, 10 plus 6 is 16 divided by 2. So you can cancel 2 1 2 6 2 1 2 8. Therefore m is equals to how much you got? 6, 8. So we got 1 point here, correct? Therefore slope m is equals to how much? 3 and 1 point you got 6, 8. Consider as what? x1, y1. Therefore we need now what? Equation of straight line. Therefore, equation of straight line y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 8 is equals to m is 3 into bracket x minus x1 is 6. Open the bracket. So y minus 8, keep it as it is, 3 into x, 3x minus 3 into 6, 18. X contains positive sign, so shift these two values. So 0 is equals to 3x, keep it as it is, plus y becomes minus y, minus 8 becomes plus 8. Already minus 18 is present in right hand side. Therefore, finally 3x minus y plus 8 minus 18 means minus 10 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of what? Straight line.